soothing, serene, relaxing. Rivers usually have this calming effect. Rivers represent movement and journeys, as well as symbolize connections, since they touch everyone along their path to the sea. It is with great joy to journey with you through the lush greenery, palm trees, and scenery, in the hope that you will have an enriching experience of our local culture. Whether you have an hour or two to spare or a whole day to enjoy, tours can be made flexible to suit your needs. And it doesn't matter if you're on a kayak or on board a traditional riverboat called bandong, there's a unique natural and cultural experience waiting for you across the bend. Abatan is one of mainland Bohol's three main rivers. The almost 20-kilometer-long river snakes through the towns of Cortes, Maribojoc, Antiquera, and Balilihan. At the start of the tour, a native ritual to ward off spirits called palina is being performed. Along the way, locals are seen as guardians who take care of their natural environment, knowing the interconnectedness of their lives. The town of Antiquera is known for its basket weaving industry, which is one of the major sources of livelihood for the residents. Basket weaving skills have been passed down from one generation to another, and the handicraft production is usually home-based. Every Sunday, which is the town's market day, people can witness a plethora of baskets in different forms and sizes on display at the public market. Tourists can also visit their showroom adjacent to the town hall. The place also abounds of natural wonders like the Kawasan Falls in Balilihan. Local delicacies like moron and suman are made by some residents. This family has been on this home business for more than 30 years. At the nearby town of Maribojoc, you can also visit the Savima Mangrove Adventure and Boardwalk located at Barangay San Vicente. With a full-day tour of sightseeing and a taste of local life, nothing can beat the enchanting experience of the amazing Abatan River Firefly Watching Tour in the evening. The experience is always unforgettable, and you cannot help but be filled with awe and wonder at the natural beauty of the place as you contemplate on the work and determination of the locals in trying to keep their river flowing with life.